Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about factory design, really the figuring out the type of lights, the amount of light you need for your space. The important things we need to know to determine that is the size of your space, length, width, height. If you have existing fixtures there, how many, what wattage, how many rows and columns, what are you doing in the space, what the operating temperatures are. Do you get real high temperatures? Because that will potentially limit the fixtures we can use. And just in general, whether you want improvements in your lightings or you're very satisfied with your lighting. We'll then take that, put that into a lighting plan, and that lighting plan will tell you how many lights, what the light level is you'll have, and then we quote you those fixtures. We usually strive to recommend fixtures that are in stock, but if you do have some special requirements, we will also recommend some of our more custom, higher-end options if that fits your requirement better. And in many cases, we'll give you several options, just so that you have some choices. So give us a call today. We can help you with your factory lighting design, and we'll get you going as soon as we can. Have a great day.